Here is the picking pattern for G chord in Everybody Hurts. Heel pad onto the pins as your reference point, or you could use the little or third finger down here as a reference point. That way you will long term be able to play it without looking at your guitar. Half of the plectrum, quarter of the plectrum I should say, half usually when you're strumming the guitar, quarter when you're picking notes like this. 6th string downstroke, skip to the 3rd and 2nd downstrokes, and 1st, 2nd, 3rd upstrokes. It's the same as the D, except with D we started with the 4th string, and for G we're substituting that with the 6th string. So it's 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd.